So hello everyone, how are you all? Hello everyone. I am CryptoLord2. How are you all, guys? So I am back live with a new project. Today I will present to you three topics: HODLer Airdrop, Launchpool, CandyDrop, and Simple Earn. So those who have not joined my live yet, please join quickly, and thank you to all those who have joined. So please join quickly and fast joining my live stream. Today's trending topic is NERO token, and NERO token today's is the trending token, and which we will discuss now. So you can fast joining my live stream. So this is the NERO token stake and earn hourly rewards. So I'm showing you the NERO token. So everyone join my live soon. I will now start a detailed discussion about the NERO project. So this is the GateLive official Launchpool token chart, and this is NERO token. Get NERO chain launch NERO ecosystem week featuring HODLer airdrop, Launchpool, CandyDrop, and simple earn event. Get will list NERO for spot trading on 28 July 2025 at 7 UTC time. To reward our users, HODLer airdrop, Launchpool, CandyDrop, and simple earn events will NERO chain according to the timeline below. Join now and experience it. So I am showing you the fast HODLer airdrop. So get will list NERO chain and offer a limit time HODLer airdrop. Users holding at least 1 GT can share 500,000 NERO tokens for free. So you can see this HODLer airdrop rules, and this is the join link of NERO token. So join link, and this is the next. I am showing you the Launchpool information. So this is the Launchpool. Get will launch the 219th Launchpool project, and NERO chain is the 290 number project. Users can stake BTC NERO to earn 400,000 NERO. 40 million NERO rewards are distributed hourly. You can see these rewards are distributed hourly, and VIPs enjoy up to 500% staking cap boost. This is the Launchpool event starts July 28, 2025 at 12 UTC time to August 11, 2022 at 12 UTC time. So next, this is the join link of the NERO Launchpool, and I am showing you the CandyDrop. This is the CandyDrop system, and CandyDrop gets airdrop rewards platform has teamed up with NERO chain for an ecosystem week event. Launch of CandyDrop 58 number token project. So CandyDrop versus NERO chain trade into share in a 20 million NERO super airdrop. The event runs from July 28, 2025 7:10 to August 7, 2025 8 UTC time. So this is the join link. So and next, simple earn. Get simple earn will launch a NERO 7 days fixed term product on July 28, 2025, offering a 500% APR. So only 100 million NERO available. Fast come, fast server. So this is the simple earn join link. So it's a project introduction. So I am showing you the project introduction. You can see this NERO, a modular app centric layer 1 blockchain. NERO is an EVM compatible modular layer 1 chain built for developers and businessmen. It features native account abstraction and a flexible paymaster ecosystem, enabling gas payments in any token and sponsored or fully gasless transactions. Backed by top-tier institutional players like Entity Digital and CoinTrade since its testnet launch. NERO empowers dApps to capture fees, customizes gas logic, and delivers seamless Web2 style user experience. Its unique block space 2.0 architecture separates execution, settlement, and data availability. It has also been optimized for performance, developer control, and sustainable token economics. And this is the note of the NERO project. There may be dispenses between this original content in English and any translate version. Please refer to the original English version for the most accurate information in case any dispensive errors. So this is the NERO chain launch ecosystem week featuring HODLer, Airdrop, Launchpool, CandyDrop, and simple earn events. So I am showing you this is the NERO ongoing project. Today's this is the NERO ongoing project and Gate.io official website of NERO, and this is the Twitter, and this is the white paper, and this is announcement. So this announcement is the 290 number NERO chain stake BTC and receive NERO airdrops. So you can see this market chart. So NERO token get Launchpool will its 2009 number Launchpool, and so you should definitely join projects like Launchpool and HODLer Airdrop and claim your rewards. So this is airdrop details. You can see this monitor of airdrop details. So Get Launchpool will launch in 290 number token of Launchpool. NERO chain, this is the username is NERO. Users who stake BTC and NERO will receive of share of 40 million NERO tokens for free with hourly airdrops available. Airdrop details, mining time, this is the mining time July 28 2025 to August 11 2025 UTC time +8. So total mining reward for 40 million NERO and BTC 30 million NERO and NERO 10 million. So this is the stake and earn coins now link. So unlock method I am showing. You can see this unlock method of 100% unlock, and Get Launchpool supports users to stake in advance. You can stake your assets before the project is officially launched, ensuring that you will start earning rewards as soon as the project start mining. The reward distribution system will distribute token rewards to users' spot accounts every hour based on the percentage of their staked assets. So how to participate? You can see this line carefully how to participate, and log in your Get account and completely identify verification. Enter Launchpool, hold at last 0.0000 BTC 1 BTC or 10 NERO token. So click stake and then done. So VIP users exclusive staking limit bonus, VIP 5 and above users participating in Launchpool enjoy exclusive staking limit increase benefits up to 500% staking limit bonus. So VIP 0 to VIP 4 10 BTC, VIP 5 15 BTC 50%, and VIP 6 20 BTC, VIP 7 26 BTC token, VIP 8 for 34 BTC to 240% plus, VIP 9 45 BTC, VIP 10 to VIP 16 60 BTC. So project basic information. This is the project basic information. NERO modular application centric layer 1 blockchain. NERO is an EVM compatible modular layer 1 blockchain built for developers and enterprise. It has native account abstraction and a flexible paymaster system that supports gas payments, sponsored transactions, or completely gas free transactions for any token. Since the testnet launch, NERO has been supported by top institutes such as NTT Digital and CoinTrade, enabling devs to charge fees, customize gas logic, and create a seamless Web 2 style users experience. Its unique blockchain 2.0 architecture separates execution, settlement, and data availability, and is optimized for performance, developer controls, and sustainable token economics. This is the official website of NERO chain and presection. Get Launchpool is an innovative staking awards airdrop platform where users can earn hot coin users every hour by staking GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or others token. It has a low threshold and high actualized return, marketing it easy to capital market opportunities. Participating users must first complete identity verification to ensure the security of your account and asset. Please abide by the relevant activity rules when participating. Any cheating is prohibited. Any cheating will result is disqualified from winning the prize. In case of any discrepancy between the translate version and the English version shall prevail. Reverse the right of final interpretation of the event. The event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted regions are unable to use all or part of the service. So this is the GateLive's investment announcement. GateLive did not participate in the NERO chain investment. So risk warning. This is the risk warning. Blockchain startup projects are still in their early stage, and there may be great risk in the project's operation, underlying technology, legal and regulatory environment, etc. Understanding blockchain startups and assessing their inherent risks required advanced technical and financial knowledge, affected by technology, laws and regulations, market and other factors. The price of the project you participate in may fluctuate dramatically, and the price may drop or increase significantly due to issue with the underlying technologies of the project or the gate trading platform. You may not be able to withdraw all or part of the fund from the project you participate in. Cryptocurrency projects carry high risk. Cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project does not same margins and does not offer any price commitments or guarantees against price drops. Participate only if you fully understand and can afford the risk. Will the platform strongly warn of this risk? It cannot assume any liability for investment losses, including guarantee competitions. So NERO token, I am showing you the NERO white paper. This is the white paper of NERO token. So a flexible modular blockchain with native account abstraction support. Index term NERO modular blockchain account abstract layer 1 introduction. Since the introduction of Bitcoin, blockchain technology and the concept of decentralized have progressively gained popularity. Ethereum, with its smart contracts, often opened the door to nearly limitless applications for distributed ledger technology. Yearly blockchain technology primary addresses concerns relative to security and decentralization, impeding the resolution of trust issues. As the demand for transactions process capacity surges, Solana and others permissionless blockchain proposed solution and to scale processing performance to tens of thousands of TPS. Nevertheless, the current pivotal challenge lies in delivering an improved experience for users and developers, given the explosive growth of decentralized applications like DeFi, GameFi, and NFTs. For instance, users must rely on the encryption method provided by each blockchain exclusively, and nothing will help if they happen to lose their private keys. Besides, DApps also cannot share transaction fee, even if they have significant contribution to the transaction volumes and revenue to validators. This is not conductive of the formation of an ecosystem. The inflexibility in users' operations and the fee machines are hindering the development of the decentralized economy. Account abstraction solutions from the Ethereum community have elevated the mentioned users above, so to some extent, but not as somewhat thought native manners. Additionally, there is currently a lack of fee-sharing machines which are widely used within decentralized communities to attract application and foster ecosystem economic elegant. This disparity is most evident by the Uniswap Ethereum relationship. Flexibility of the blockchain needs to be increased in order to address these issues. Therefore, we propose NERO, a next generation modular blockchain featuring native abstract account machines. There is secure, scalable, and most importantly flexible. NERO introduces a more structure and native machines for account abstractions, including integrated smart contracts, users operated pool, paymaster, and more. This enables users to navigate the Web3 world with the familiarity of Web2 experience. Additionally, NERO has devised a gas fee ecosystem economy model that empowers dApps by sharing the gas fees according to their contribution encouraging dev to make every effort to optimize themselves for their own users specific fee sensitively. Moreover, NERO adopts a, a modular design to ensure high performance transaction processing. The entire process is vertically divided into execution, settlement, and data availability. NERO employs a JK rollup based Valium solution as its execution engine, along with a settlement chain fully compatible with EVM and Ethereum protocols with consensus which supports large scale node participants, and its data availability is based on data sampling validation SAMS, which currently has the highest efficiency. NERO is designed to collaborate with the promote the development of the industry, present requirements to of decentralized application and the potential for future innovative. It establishes of a novel foundation by leveraging a high performance underlying permissionless blockchain, gradually adding flexibility enchantment in which NERO activity supports the development of Web 3.0 thought innovative expense. Forming a permissionless blockchain with complete underlying capabilities that everyone can participate in. Compared with other permissionless blockchains, NERO is committed to making innovations and contributions in flexibility as well as transaction scaling with the following 5 core technical features. Number 1, utilizing native account abstraction for a Web 2 like user experience, implementing a gas fee economy with transaction fee redistribution across the ecosystem, adopting modular layered architecture, incorporating JK rollup and data availability solutions and for high performance transaction processing, employing a pipelined optimization BFT consensus mesh is ensuring high throughput, decentralization, security, and fast transaction confirmation, ensuring full compatibility with Ethereum protocols and EVM facilities seamless applications migration with the ecosystem. Architecture. Next, architecture. So flexibility and scalability are the primary considerations in NERO's architecture design. In terms of flexibility, NERO introduces the access layer to handle users' interactions with the blockchain, providing more choice in terms of keys, signatures, and token used for fees. Regarding scalability, NERO has deeply researched the blockchain trilemma of decentralization, security, and scalability that no current blockchain system can simultaneously achieve. We addressed the trilemma by splitting the traditional monolithic architecture into 3 layers: the execution layers, settlement layers, and data. So this is the users instruction users access layer and execution layer and settlement layer and more data availability layer. So narrow architecture diagram. This is the narrow architecture diagram, and availability there. Therefore, the overall architecture can be instructed in Fig. Access layer responsible for accepting various users' operation as well as transferring and commenting them to the chain. Execution layers responsible for the execution of almost all construct based transactions and supports decentralized applications. It is the application of JK rollup where the execution result are submitted to the settlement layer and the settlement layer establishes understandable security as well as objective finality. Settlement layers responsible for verifying and settlement the execution result of the execution layer and is also the asset layer responsible for the management and settlement of the assets on the chain. Data availability layer focusing on execution data. It will ensure data availability in the network based on data sharing and data simple technologies. Access layer native account abstraction. The access layer with native account abstractions functions as the gateway for users to engage with the blockchain network. This layer facilitates various users activities including account creation, transaction signing, and smart contract instruction. By abstracting the increases of the blockchain protocols, it simplifies users interaction while upholding security measures. Negative account abstractions enables users to manage their account and transactions seamlessly, offering flexibility in key management and transaction processing. This layer ensures a smooth of user-friendly experience, enhancing accessibility and usability within the blockchain environment. Additionally, the access layer decouples users' access for the core blockchain like the shell component in computer operating system. This separation facilitates future updates and upgrades to access technologies. B. Execution layer built in ZK rollup execution engine. So the execution layer is key of NERO's scalability. NERO is optimized by transferring resource intensive transaction processing from the on-chain environment to off-chain while retraining on-chain focus on result validation. NERO employs JK rollup technologies as the primary implementation for its execution engine, dividing the transactions process into two phases. Initially, a multitude of transactions are executed off-chain and subsequently combined. Then they are collectively submitted to the main chain of validation. The original transaction data is compressed and stored on-chain. This approach minimizes the volume of data transmitted of the main chain, thereby facilitating faster and more cost-effective transactions. 1. Rollup execution. Rollup technology consists primarily of JK rollup and optimized rollup, which are presently the landing layer 2 scaling solutions. Both JK rollup and optimized rollups offer EVM compatible solutions, making it highly convenient for exciting Ethereum dApps to migrate seamlessly. However, optimized rollups really and on extended waiting period for transactions valuation, resulting in prolonged confirmation times for on-chain transactions. In contrast, JK rollups security models based on zero knowledge proof cryptography allows for instant on-chain transactions confirmation once the relevant zero knowledge proof is verified. NERO proprietary transactions verification and thus chooses JK rollup for our execution layer. NERO will offer a JK rollup SDK that incorporates competence for zero knowledge proof generation and verification process. Additionally, NERO provides free configured templates for popular dApps like DEX and lending, simplifying integration for developers. Data availability separation during transactions executions. NERO submits only the outcomes of rollup transactions to the settlement layer, differing from the traditional rollup approach of submitting raw transactions before these outcomes can reach the settlement layer. They must first pass through NERO's data availability layer. This layer fulfills economic and data storage needs, conserving valuable storage resource on the settlement layer as shown in Fig 2. Settlement layer high performance EVM completable chain. The settlement layer serves as the center of NERO. It is significant for both the execution and data availability layers. Regarding the execution layer, the settlement layer's governance, transaction fees and confirmations in the context of the data availability layer, its importance is future emphasis as it drives in entire process of block constructions, proposal, confirmations and transactions payment. Full Ethereum complementary. NERO believes that Ethereum is the industry standard for blockchain application development. To attract more high quality devs, projects and developers to join the NERO ecosystem, NERO has implemented the full Ethereum protocols in the settlement layer. NERO not only has full compatibility with EVM but also keeps up with the largest EIPs so that developers can directly deploy the exciting devs on Ethereum to NERO. On the other hand, all the developments tool developed on Ethereum including wallet, Solidity, Remix, Truffle and HODLer can also be directly used on the NERO chain. Besides, NERO is also compatible with almost all of the RPC interfaces of Ethereum, so developers can switch to NERO's application development at no cost and get the rewards for NERO's ecosystem development. Number 2, performance based optimization. NERO's strategy for performance begins with the settlements layer. Although it does not directly execute individual users' transactions, the settlement layer serves as a foundation for the entire system. For the reason, NERO has developed its unique consensus machines combining DPoS and random sampling validator selection alongside a pipelined optimization. optimized BFT process. The improves ensuring so the improves ensure exceptional performance, genuine decentralization, and an optimal balance between transaction throughput and instructions confirmations. Uh, Furthermore, NERO has refined storage, synchronization, and the EVM execution cases based on real-world performance profiling resulting and substyle performance enhancement. Number D, data availability layer storage exclusivity. In order to conserve valuable storage capacity within the settlement layer, NERO designed the data availability layer to offer dependable on-chain storage for rollup. This eliminates the reliance on external storage protocol for the original transactions data associated with rollup, resolving the issue entirely within the NERO chain. Moreover, NERO designed the data availability layer with a sharing architecture to engage a greater number of nodes, ensuring decentralization and scalability. This structure enables each node to store only a portion of data, while a number of nodes ensuring data accessibility. As an independent storage layer, NERO's data availability near processed several key features compared to traditional blockchain. Only data storage is necessary of the chain with no transactions execution and absence of a world state. Block verification does not rely of historical data. Only the settlement layer conducts unfilled management. JK Rollup execution engine overview. JK Rollup represent a groundbreaking advancement in blockchain technology, including scalability, security, and efficiency. The cutting EDG solution address the pressing need for instanced transaction throughput while maintaining robust security measures inherent to blockchain networks. However, directly utilizing JK Rollup to build dApps comes with very high development requirements, which hinders the development of the ecosystem. So, JK EVM has immigrated. JK EVM constructs all EVM instructions with zero knowledge proofs, as long as the complement bytecode code of the contract is inputted. Verifiable zero knowledge proofs can be generated based on the contract execution process. This completes the entire process from ordinary Solidity program to generating execution programs proofs. Developers in the Ethereum ecosystem can easily migrate old applications and develop new ones. Zero provides the JK Rollup execution engine, including fine-tuned JK EVM based on Plonk system of JK Snark. It comprises several key components essential for its optional performance and functionality within the ecosystem. The core component is the zero knowledge protocol module. This allows for the constructions of JK proof for all EVM instructions, ensuring the transactions and smart contract executions remain private and confidential. Additionally, NERO incorporates a robust JK proof generation engine. This engine is responsible for creating verifiable zero knowledge proofs based on the execution process of smart contracts. These proofs serve as cryptographic evidence of the correctness and validity of transactions and contract executions, enable influenced verifications by the settlement layers. Furthermore, NERO includes comprehensive developers tools like bytecode compiler etc. These tools provided developers with the necessary resource and supports to leverage the privacy and scalability benefits offering by JK EVM. B. Proof generation. The generation of zero knowledge proof is a complex cryptographic process that allows a prober to demonstrate the validity of a statement without revealing any information beyond the fact that the statement is true. It typically implements several key steps, including statement formulation, circuit construction, and proof generation. Statement formulation. The first step in JKP generation is to formulate the statement that the prover wishes to prove. In the transaction execution scenario, it refers to execution. So this is the NERO official Launchpool token, and I am showing you the NERO Launchpool NERO ecosystem week featuring HODLer Airdrop, Launchpool, CandyDrop, and simple earn events. So you can hold at last. This is the NERO system, and this is the at last hold 10 NERO and earn to distribution system every hour based. You can see this distribution system every hour based. So get user 5A4 join the live channel, get user 1E join the live channel, get user 5A join the live channel, the Quran join the live channel, get user 76 join the live channel, Amjad Ali join the live channel, Dani Sarkar join the live channel, get user E1 join the live channel, Zehra Tushra join the live channel, King BTC ETH join the live channel, Idanglio join the live channel, Listen to Taker join the live channel, Skyfall join the live channel, Black Spider join the live channel, Idango join the live channel, get user F8 join the live channel, Ajad Ali, Amjad 3 Ali join the live channel, Skyfall join the live channel, UID 144 join the live channel, Skyfall join the live channel, Dawatani Jibu join the live channel, Nasar Web3 join the live channel, get user 889 join the live channel, Harmain 90 join the live channel, Dani Saka join the live channel, Diwanti Jibu join the live channel, get user 3D join the live channel, get user 76 join the live channel, Taskia 7722 join the live channel, get user 3B join the live channel, Skyfall join the live channel, get user F4 join the live channel, Walk and Scene join the live channel, Dani Sarkar Prathama join the live channel, Get user 3B join the live channel. Taskia 77 join the live channel. Sithang join the live channel. Thanks for all join my live stream. Thank you for all guys. So you can comment it, and I'm showing you the today's NERO chain, and this is the ecosystem week featuring HODLer airdrop and Launchpool Candy drop and simple earning event. So you should definitely join projects like Launchpool and HODLer airdrop and claim your rewards. So I'm showing you the white paper. So this white paper is the process of EVM instruction. The settlement could be anything from the correctness of a computation to the processing for a secret key. The statement is typically expressed in a formal language such as arithmetic circuits or broken circuits, and that can be efficiently processed by the cryptographic algorithms used in JKP generation. Circuit construction. Once the statement is the formulated, the prover constructs a corresponding arithmetic circuits or Boltzmann circuit that represents the computation required to prove the statement. This circuit encapsulated that the logic of the statement and serves as the basis for the subsequent step in the JKP generation process. Proof generation. With the circuit constructed, the prover employs cryptographic techniques like non-integrative protocols to generate a proof of the statement's validity. This proof is typically generated by performing a series of mathematical complements of the circuit and the prover's input data. The goals of the proof generation process is to produce a sufficient and efficiently verifiable proof that convincingly demonstrates the truth of the statement. The generator process can be described mathematically as follows. Assume that the confidential data processed by the prover is referred to as the witness, while the public data is referred to as the statement. They can be writing as statement equal function. First of all, convert the disclosed computational relationship function into circuit constructions. Then input two types of data into the circuit constructions and calculate integrated computation state and final result values. So f1 to fn can be set as the value of polynomial. Additionally, apply FFT to f1, f2 and calculate it and to the coefficient of the polynomial expressions. Furthermore, use multiple exponential to calculate multiplic as imputing the polynomial coefficient expression and the elliptic curve generations and compute the corresponding random points of the elliptic curves. Finally, impress the n random points on elliptic curve into another 3 elliptic curve random points. So, and the proof can be represented as proof ABC, then the proof is sent of the contract of layer 1. So thought the JKP generation process, the verifier needs to follow strict cryptographic protocols to ensure the security and integrity of the proof. These protocols often involve the use of cryptographic primitives such as hash functions, digital signatures, and commitment schemes to protect against various forms of attack, including impressions attacks, replaying attacks, and tampering attacks. Once the proof of is generated, it is transmitted to the verifying on-chain in the settlement layer, who is responsible for verifying its correctness. The verifier performs as a series of computation on the proof and the settlement statement's public parameters to determine whether the proof is valid. If the verification process succeeds, the verifier expects the proofs as valid and concludes that the statement which represents and the execution outcome of transactions is true. Otherwise, the verifier rejects the proof and the relative transactions. The JKP verification process typically consists of several key steps, each aimed at rightfully examining the proof's ability. So so this this is the market pollution. So this public parameters and circuit represents the verification process begins with the verifier obtaining the public parameters associated with the JKP system. These parameters include information about the cryptographic primitives used in the proof generation process, as well as any additional parameters required for verifying the proof. Additionally, the verify constructs a representation of the arithmetics or Boolean circuits corresponding of the statement being proved. This circuit serves as the basis for the subsequent steps in the verification process. Proof processing. Upon receiving the proof from the prover, the verifier process the proof of extract the necessary information for verification. This includes retrieving the proof's components such as commitments, challenge and response, as well as any exclusivity data required for the verification process. Next, statement evaluation. Next, the verifier evaluates the automatics or Boolean circuit representing the statement being proofs using the input data provided by the prover. This improves simulating the execution of the circuit and computation the output values as at each step of the computation. The verifier ensures that the computation process correctly according to the circuit's logic and that the output values match the expanded results. Challenge verification. In some JKP system, the verification process may involve the generation of a challenging by the verifier. This challenging to typically a random value chosen by the verifier, and it used to ensure the soundness of the proof. The verifier selects the challenge based on the information content in the proof and the public parameters of the proof system. Response verification. After receiving the prover's response to the challenge, and verifier verifies the correctness of the response using the information contained in the proof and the public parameters of the proof system. This involves performing a series of cryptographic computations to ensure that the response and its consistent with the challenging and the input data providing by the prover. So today's I'm showing you the NERO Launchpool and get NERO chain launch NERO ecosystem week featuring HODLer airdrop, Launchpool CandyDrop and simple earn events. So this Gate will launch NERO spot trading on July 28, 2025 to rewards our users. HODLer airdrop, Launchpool CandyDrop and simple earn event will NERO chain according to the timeline below. Join now and experience it. So you should definitely join projects like Launchpool and HODLer airdrop and claim your rewards. So Launchpool, this is the Launchpool link, and CandyDrop, and this is the simple earn link. So this so project information: a modular app centric layer 1 blockchain. NERO is a modular app centric layer 1 blockchain. NERO is an EVM compatible modular layer 1 chain built for developers and businessmen. It features native account abstractions ERC 4337 and a flexible paymaster ecosystem enabling gas payments in any token and sponsored or fully gasless transactions. Backed by top tier institutional players like Entity Digital and CoinTrade since its testnet launch. NERO employs devs to capture fees, customizes gas logic, and delivers seamless Web2 style user experience. Its unique blockchain 2.0 architecture separates execution, settlement, and data availability. It has been also optimized for performance, developer control, and sustainable token economics. So this is the NERO official website. This is the official website, and this is the NERO, and its total stake 30 million NERO and mining period 14 days. Total reward 40 million NERO and total stake 3,289.34 BTC. Participant 3,563 and price pool hourly cap 89,285.71 NERO and APR 2.8% and include staking cap VIP 10 BTC. So this is the ongoing project and the NERO chain airdrops. So we launch pool number 290 number NERO chain users can stake BTC and NERO will receive a share of $400,000. So this is the white paper and last moment. So this white paper of the NERO chain. NERO developed a module called Paymaster, which is responsible for managing the payment of transaction fees associated with users' operation of the blockchain. As part of the account abstraction model, the Paymaster serves to abstract the handling of transaction fees away from the users and into a centralized contract entity, streamlining and fee payments process and in-chaining user experience. The primary function of the Paymaster is to facilitate the payment of transaction fees incurred by users when integrating with the blockchain. In traditional blockchain system, users are required to manually include transaction fee with each transaction by submit to the network. However, in account abstraction, this responsibility is shifted to the Paymaster contract, revealing users of the burden of managing transaction fee directly. When a user initiates a transactions of performance any other operations that incurs a fees, the corresponding operation is processed through the Paymaster contract. The Paymaster calculates the appreciation fee based on factors such as the complexity of the operation and current network conditions. If then deduced the fee from the user's account balance or prompts the users to authorize to the payment of the fee through a separate machine. So this is the Twitter account, and this is the official website of the NERO chain. And this is the so thanks for all joining my live stream. Get user CE66 join the live channel. Get user DC17 join live channel. Dani Saka Pratama join the live channel. Get user CE66 join the live channel. Get user 8F8F join the live channel. Get user 705D join the live channel. Thanks for all joining my live stream. Today my live stream is end, so thank you for everyone. And today's topic is my Launchpool token is the NERO token. So you should definitely join projects like Launchpool and HODLer Airdrop and claim your rewards. So goodbye.